Hi, I'm Steve and Allie, and today's episode on Chomp on This, we're making scallop tacos. Let's get cooking. Get your zester, lime, and just kind of run it over the zester, so that's perfect right there. You can actually rotate the knife carefully, and the juice will just pour down the blade of the knife. So then we're gonna take about half a teaspoon of honey here, and we're just gonna whisk this together really quickly. And we're gonna add our cabbage in here. We're just gonna get a little bit of salt, pepper, get in there with our hands, just kind of mix it all up. So we're gonna pickle some jalapenos and we're gonna pickle some radishes. So we're gonna get this onto medium heat right here. 1 cup of water and another cup of vinegar. A tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of salt. So in this, we're just gonna stir this up until this is completely dissolved. So we're gonna take a mason jar and we're gonna get our jalapenos and we're gonna put our radishes in there as well. Mustard seeds, whole black peppercorn seeds, fresh or dried dill. Now that you have everything in your mason jar, we're gonna cut off the heat and we're going to slowly add the liquid inside our mason jar. So in our high-powered blender, we're gonna put an avocado, we're gonna put some cilantro or parsley if you don't particularly like the taste of cilantro, our white onion, and some garlic. We're gonna get the juice of a whole lime, and finally we're gonna have a cup of sour cream. And then we're just gonna mix this all together and you'll have your avocado sauce. So now we're gonna pan sear our scallops. Take a paper towel and just pat them down. We're going to lightly season them with some taco seasoning. Put this on medium heat. And it's really great to cooking with gas just because this is gonna get hot right away. We're gonna add some oil to the pan. You don't wanna overcrowd the pan because what you'll end up happening is you're gonna steam the scallops instead of actually pan searing them. So after about a minute, you start to see a nice crust on it. You can start to flip them over. That's exactly what you want. That's where all the flavor is. Bon appetit. It's awesome. Tastes like a taco.